The big Deland Train Show at Volusia County Fair Grounds is January 13th and 14th, and we were there on Saturday. So here is part one of it. It's pretty long, so I had to cut it up into vendors on the first one and all the train layouts on the second one. And then the train show hall, all this stuff right here, what Debbie and I bought at the train show will be on the live stream on Monday night. So don't forget to tune in for that to see the train show hall. So now here is part one of the building that has all the vendors. And the next video will be the one that has all the train layouts, and there was a few other vendors over there also. So here we go. Okay, here we are in Chick-fil-A in Davenport. Had to wait until we had some daylight because we left about 6:30 this morning. It's about 7:40 right now, just another hour before we get to Deland at Volusia County Fair Grounds for the train show. So, been in the rain all morning, so looks like it's gonna clear up some. You can see out there, well, still a little bit cloudy, but no more rain. So another hour to the train show, and then on to Buc-ee's after that, and then we're gonna go to see Debbie's back on to you.
We might.
We might. Well, you said you wanted to, but
we might.
We might. Okay.
Well, it depends.
It depends. Okay. So, all right. Just got out of Chick-fil-A. We're sitting in a parking lot. Just looked at the map. 59 minutes to Volusia County Fairgrounds. No accidents right now. No delays. So we're on a roll. Okay. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. There we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right. There. Yeah. Okay. Here we are at Tommy Lawrence Arena. And they got the other one. I'm not sure what the other building is, but they got the layouts over in the building over there. So it's a little after 9 o'clock that we're getting there. Debbie got her walker. And we've got a place to park in the back, not too far from the entrance. So we lucked out. They had the back gate open this time. Okay, here we are. At the very corner, just got in here. Let's go up this way. All right. And I'll take some more video in the back. Vintage train collector. And there was a little vendor out in the lobby I didn't get. I'll get that later on. Greetings! Say hello!
Hey, watch Toms and Trains and Things.
There you go. And who's your friend over there?
That's my buddy Joe.
Okay, how you doing, Joe?
We're from Jacksonville.
Jacksonville. All right, good deal.
Come see us in the land.
Yeah. You going to be up at Jacksonville show again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We'll get that show too.
All right. Well, we're going to try to make it up here.
We do them all.
Okay, let's take a look at some of these. This is Me Love Trains, all the G-scale stuff over here. They got quite a bit. All the way down along this far wall. A bunch of HO stuff over here, and then there's some more G-scale down here a little bit further. So a lot of G-scale stuff. All right. Lots of stuff. Oh boy.
All that stuff's been sitting in their closet in their house. Right.
And more over here on this side. Okay, a little bit more. I got some Lionel stuff over here. Some displays. A few t-shirts, HO scale stuff. TRF trains. up in front, up there. Okay. A lot of line out. There are a lot of kits, different scales. Okay. Please do not touch. Here's the gentleman where I bought the Bar Mills kit. Southeast Hobbies. He's got a big selection over here. I'll go see what else he has over here. We got Pico going for $35.95. Oh my goodness. Everything has gone up in price. Look at that. You got a lot of good kits, a lot of locomotives. And here's where got my attention up here with Bar Mills. Already got one of them, but he's got a lot of other kits up here. This guy's out of Georgia. There he is right there in the orange shirt. And this guy's at all the train shows over here. A lot of HO scale and N scale, Oxford. This guy's usually got the most Oxford and other vehicles for your layout. N scale, Tato, all the way up around there. All N scale, more Lionel and LGB right here. And assorted old stuff. This vendor's always up around in the front. $400 for that O scale GG1. And there's Zitniks. They're always up in front. Okay, this is out in the lobby. A lot of O scale. Nice selection.
I didn't have to pay the eBay fee. Sorry, I forgot. Oh, because it's on eBay.
Okay, back in here. It's after 11 o'clock. We went and saw all the train layouts, talked to a few people over there, and back over here. Going to take a few videos of the table and then get out of here and go to Buc-ee's for lunch. Okay, so Zitniks always has a bunch of tables over here. Always have a lot of good stuff here. Big assortment of everything.
I bought some of the parts to do.
Stuff in the totes. Over here too. A lot of Lionel
I don't know what variant.
packaged up here. Got a locomotive. We got some Campbell scale models over there. A curved trestle. Yeah. A lot of old stuff. All the way down is Wes's tables right there. Elvis is in the house. We got a bunch more tables along the back here. A down the line. Oh, here's one. Clear. You gotta paint it, huh?
Yes and no.
All right.
I own the show, and there's a lot of O-gauge. Probably 50% of it.
There's Riggs's Railroad, slides, all kind of good stuff. Old magazines, got maps over on the other side. Southern Railway System. They must have turned the lights out back here.
I'd do 40 on that right now.
Okay. More boxes of Lionel stuff over here. Got tables of HO stuff. P&S trains. All right. New used trains and accessories. There we go. Got the QR code right there. This guy right here gets bigger at every train show. I've seen the first one he did in Bradenton about 2 years ago. He was just starting out, so getting a lot of stuff. It's Western Maryland.
That has some good wood.
$30 for that.
Learn something.
Now when you go to get to an engine, then you want to the more weight on
How about some locomotives from this guy, Gregory? American Flyer. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. There's some t-shirts. Here's a little Conrail switcher for Sparky. Chessie. Chesapeake, Ohio. And that's a pretty big HO scale trailer. That's kind of big for HO scale, don't you think? Holy moly. $35 and $45, 53. That one is $29.50. Is it? Oh, this is a plat. Or is this the? Holy cow! 48, 1995, 145, 1950. That little thing's $62.50. That's N scale. Now these are plastic kits right here. What cost $145. All right. Plantation Model Railroad Club. Plasticville down below, $15 for that. A lot of old stuff there. Plasticville. Oh my God. Don't forget to tune in on the Monday night live stream so you could see the train show haul of what we got right here. It's going to be a good one because we got a lot. Look at all those bar meals kits right there. Debbie, this is Debbie's stack right here. And this is my stack right here. So that's going to be a good one. And needless to say, I spent a little bit more money than I wanted to. So we're going to be talking about some of the shows that I might miss on the Monday Night Live stream, because I'm not that rich and I spent a lot of money at this one, so I might have to cut out a few of the smaller train shows that I was planning on going to. So tune in for that. We'll have part 2 of the model railroad clubs and their layouts, and there was a couple of vendors in there also. And that'll be coming out later on in the week. And don't forget, Workbench Wednesday, we'll be back on the workbench. And we'll be having fun. So until the next time, we'll see you. And have fun with whatever you're doing.